Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the US Bank app to manage credit limits. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone and navigate to the App Store. If you have an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. For Android devices, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type US Bank and hit enter. Look for the US Bank app in the search results. Confirm that it is the official app by checking for the US Bank logo. Tap on the app to view its details. Next, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the US Bank app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you're a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Limit Management section. Here, you can view your current credit limits and make any necessary adjustments. Explore additional features that allow you to manage payments and monitor transactions. Ensure your app is updated regularly to access the latest features and security updates. Now you are ready to manage your credit limits efficiently with the US Bank app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.